The video assessment widget is an interactive that increases engagement in videos by adding bookmarks, presentation layers, a table of contents, and assessment questions over a pause video. The video assessment widget can be added to any lesson or assessment card. To add the video assessment widget, first add a widget block to your course. Then locate the video assessment template in the Add Widget window and click the green Select button. Next, you will name your widget and then click the green Add button. To begin building your widget, select Click here to add content. Below the widget title and optional introduction field, you will click to add a video. The Add Video window displays where you can upload a file from your computer, paste the URL for a web-hosted video, or use the Content Manager to reuse previously uploaded content. For information on supported video files and streaming services, please visit the Knowbly Help portal. For our example, we'll be using a video from YouTube. Pasting the YouTube URL into the URL field will automatically begin to upload it. Load times will vary depending on the size of the file. Once uploading has finished, select the Add button to have the video inserted into your widget template. Below the video, you'll see that the first interactive layer has been started for you. Use the drop-down menu in the top left to select the type of layer you would like. The annotation layer pauses the video at certain timeline markers and gives you the ability to add information such as text, images, audio, video, and more. Use this layer to introduce content, highlight key concepts in the video, or to add additional instructional content. The bookmark layer gives you the ability to identify key sections or where specific topics are discussed in the video. Or you can select from 5 different assessment question types: fill in the blank, multiple choice, multiple select, short answer, and true/false. For our example, we will be creating an annotation layer. Play the video and stop it at the location you wish to add the annotation. Be sure to note the timestamp. In your annotation layer, add a title and then type in your annotation. You can use the Quick Insert button to insert audio, images, videos, tables, ordered list, unordered list, and horizontal lines on any blank line of the annotation field. Now let's enter the start time of the annotation. You will want to verify the exact time by cross-referencing it with the above video. Let's add a second layer to your video. Hover above or below the existing layer and select the green Add button. For this layer, we will add a bookmark by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting Bookmark. Enter a label into the Label field and insert a start and end time. Again, you will want to cross-reference with the above video. The bookmark label will be displayed for the learner beginning at the start time and will be visible until the end time. Now let's add an assessment question by adding a third layer. For our example, we will select multiple choice from the drop-down menu for our layer type. We'll add a question, answers, and mark the correct answer. And finally, we'll add a timestamp where we would like our video to pause and quiz the learner. To learn more about each specific assessment question type, please watch the corresponding training videos. Continue this process to add as many interactive layers as you would like. The last layer is the summary, which appears at the end of every assessment widget. Here you can add a summary title and a summary text, as well as customize what information you would like displayed when the learner reaches the end of the video assessment widget. When done, select the Block Settings button to review the various adjustments that can be made to fine-tune your video assessment widget. Mode is an option where you can switch between annotated video template and video assessment template. Playback settings offer the ability to autoplay and disable scrubbing. Autoplay, if enabled, means that the video playback will start as soon as the widget loads. Disable scrubbing, if enabled, prevents learners from navigating forward or backwards through the video. They will only be able to play and pause the video. Lastly, Table of Contents allows you to select which items you would like to appear within the table of contents. At any time, you can click Preview to see what a published version will look like. Both you and the learner can view the table of contents by clicking on the button in the lower right corner.